Walk. He walks slowly. Laugh. He is laughing for joy. Help. He is helping her. Run. He runs regularly. Talk. He is talking with his friend. Jump. He jumps rapidly. Work. He works every day. Think. She thinks for project. Read. She is reading for exam. Sleep. She is sleeping now. Fight. She is fighting with her enemy. Play. They are playing together. Listen. She is listening to music. Cry. She is crying loudly. Sing. She sings well. Ride. He is riding rapidly. Watch. She is watching cartoons. Dance. His dance is so funny. Win. He wins the race. Cut. He is cutting the tree. Fly. The bird is flying in the sky. Open. He opens the door carefully. Close. The man is closing the door quickly. Write. Emma and Lisa are writing their homework. Give. He gives a weird box. Drink. She drinks juice. Purchase. She purchases some clothes. Speak. They speak noiselessly. Drive. He is driving his car. Travel. She travels by plane. Teach. She is teaching her students. Learn. He is learning English language. Move. The doll is moving. Lift. He is lifting the barbell. Create. He creates more equipment. Cook. His mom is cooking food. Call. He is calling his mom. Rinse. He rinses his hand. Wash. She is washing her clothes. Wait. She is waiting for her friends. Climb. They are climbing the above. Clap. They are clapping for joy. Kiss. She is kissing her husband. Hug. She is hugging with his friend. Snore. She is snoring loudly. Smell. She smells the flower. Paint. He is painting a picture.